Hi, I'm Kia. I'm probably the biggest Jaden Nader, you know, I'm the biggest Jaden Smith fan. So yeah, I just wanted to, sing a song to dedicate it to him. So yeah, remember those long ago, the baby that's tumbling down. You didn't even put up a fight. You didn't even make a sound. I'll find a way to let you in. But I never really had a doubt. Standing in the light of your halo, I got my angel now. It's like I've been awakened. Everywhere I had to break it. It's the risk that I'm taking. I ain't never gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can feel your halo. Pray you won't fly away. Know everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can feel